Hi guys, so in the last class we looked at aliasing, and we looked at how we can write simple select statements uh, with or without aliasing. So wrote simple select statements, select column names from the table name. We had an example where we said select name, category, and ingredients from pizza types. We also used aliases where we replaced the column names with whatever name of our choice. That's called aliasing. This class, we're going to be looking at the distinct statement. The distinct statement. And what the distinct statement does really is to remove duplication of values in our result. So if we have a result with duplicate values, the distinct statement gives us just one value for each duplicated value in our data set, or in our result rather. So an example is this. If you look at two queries, they are basically the same query, only one is with the distinct statement, that's the one on the left, and the one on the right is without the distinct statement. So the one without the distinct statement, you can see select category from pizza types, and this is going to give us the whole thing in the category field. Now, when we query this query, we can see that all the values have duplicates. So chicken is duplicated, classic is duplicated, supreme is duplicated, veggie is duplicated. Now, if we want to see just the different categories in the pizza types table, and we want to just take, instead of duplicates, we just want a single output of the different values we have, or the different duplicated values we have. So in layman terms, what I'm saying is, instead of all the duplicates we have, we just want to see, instead of all the 5 or 6 chickens we have, I just want to see one chicken. As far as all the values appear at least once, just want them in the output as one value. So that's where the distinct statement comes in. And the syntax is select distinct column name from table name. So one on the left shows us an example with a distinct statement, and it's just basically select distinct category from pizza types. And then you can see with that distinct statement, it gives us all the 4 different categories that are in that table, irrespective of how many times they show up in that table. Just took one occurrence of each of the values and outputted it for us here. So let's try our hands on this in pgadmin. And so let's write a comment, call it distinct statement. So if I say without distinct, so let me just say without distinct. Mind you, what I'm doing is just commenting, just so anyone looking at my code can understand it. So if I say select from pizza types, that's the table. I just want to select category from pizza type. And if I run this, what have I done? If I run this, it's going to give me all the values in that column in the table. So in the category column in the pizza types table, it's going to give me all the value. So this is what is expected. All the values in that particular column is seen in the output. So let's try it with the select state, with distinct statement now. So it's distinct. and then next we are select. So the syntax is select, then data types. We are selecting, and the syntax is distinct. Select distinct, and category now, just to check it. Category, and if we highlight this and run it, so this is our output, and it has taken away all the duplication and just given one instance, one occurrence of each of the value that appears in our former output, and that is what the distinct statement does. So in the next video, we are going to be looking at the order by clause. The order by clause, we're going to be taking a look at what it does and how it impacts whatever query we write. So see you in the next video.